Ever seen a stuffed toy that looks like it's been crying for 3 days but still manages to cost $200 plus? Yeah, meet Labubu, the internet's latest obsession. Where did they even come from? Why are people paying rent money for them? And is this just another cute scam disguised as a trend? Let's deep dive into the surprisingly dramatic world of Labubus. The rise, the hype, the money, and my unfiltered opinion. Where did Labubu come from? Labubu isn't just some random toy that appeared overnight. They were created by the brand Pop Mart, a Chinese toy company known for blind box collectible art toys. Labubu is part of a character line called the Monsters, designed by Kasing Long, an artist from Hong Kong. Labubus' design is unusual, mischievous, slightly creepy, and definitely not your average teddy bear. But that's what makes it pop. When did the trend start? The trend really picked up around early to mid-2023, especially on TikTok and Pinterest. Influencers and aesthetic girlies started showing off entire armies of Labubus on their beds, desks, and bookshelves. It spread like wildfire. Labubu in strawberry hats, Labubu with boba tea, Labubu reading dark academia books, and suddenly, every soft girl, coquette queen, and Pinterest fairy wanted one.
Okay.
It's Labubu.
Really? No way.
Yes, please.
How did they become this trendy? It's a combo of several powerful forces. First, aesthetic marketing. The way Labubus are styled and cozy, pastel setups makes them look irresistibly quirky and collectible. Then comes FOMO culture. Many Labubu drops are limited edition, which instantly creates hype and urgency. And of course, the collector's thrill. They come in blind boxes, so it taps into that childlike excitement and adult-level obsession to get the rare one. But what really catapulted Labubus into global trend status? Celebrities. When icons like Lalisa, Blackpink, and Rihanna were spotted with Labubu toys, it added a layer of status and glam to the brand. Suddenly, Labubu wasn't just a toy, it was an accessory of the elite, a soft symbol of cool. And with TikTok edits, Pinterest posts, and influencers flexing entire armies of Labubus on their beds, the trend exploded. Why are they so expensive? Some go for $200 plus. We're talking about tiny toys. Why? They're limited edition and often region exclusive. Scalpers resell them at insane markups. It's not just a toy anymore. It's a status symbol in certain online circles. It's like the Birkin bag of stuffed toys. Not everyone gets it. And that's the point. Has this happened before? Absolutely. Beanie Babies and the 90s had their own cult-like status. Furbies, Tamagotchis, Teddy Ruxpin, every generation has its must-have toy. Even Squishmallows and Hello Kitty saw price surges due to online hype. Each time, the formula is the same: cuteness plus scarcity plus online trends equals overpriced obsession. So, what's the endgame? In my opinion, this bubble will burst. Just like every other toy trend, once the hype fades or gets replaced by something new, prices will crash. Some collectors will hold on, others will resell at losses. It'll go from, I need this, to, why did I pay so much for that again? My honest opinion. Okay, here's the tea. Labubus. They're cute. Kind of. They've got that ugly cute energy, like a raccoon that drinks iced coffee. But are they worth $200? Absolutely not. They are not that cute. And honestly, the pricing feels like emotional blackmail through aesthetic vibes. They're fun, collectible, and look adorable in Instagram carousels, but at the end of the day, They're stuffed toys that got lucky. So whether you're saving up for your first Labubu, or laughing at the whole trend like me, just remember, every viral trend comes with a story, a price tag, and sometimes, a lesson greater than. Don't buy the hype just because it's cute. Or do. Just don't say I didn't warn you. If you liked this breakdown, don't forget to like, comment, and sub for more deep dives like this one. Stay happy. Stay awoke from all the scammy trends. Until next time, bye. So chromy.